I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another trunk club for you. It's been a couple months since I've gotten one of these, but I decided that I needed some summer clothes. What I've been looking for in the past is a lot more like going out stuff, so this time I wanted some cute summer stuff. So let's just go through it and see what they sent me. Also, my usual stylist is on maternity leave, I believe, so they gave me a new stylist. Birdie, I believe is her name. Okay, so the first thing in here is this cute little denim top, and it's got, you know, like the peplum kind of a thing here and a lace-up corsety top. And at first I thought this was going to be pretty cute, but then when I put it on, it squished my boobies so much. It was just too tight. And I thought, well, I guess I could size up, but I don't know, I guess the look of it was a little too farm girl for me, I guess. It was cute, but I felt like, you know, it wasn't worth exchanging. If it had fit first time around, I may have had a different opinion, but I don't know. So speaking of farm girl, they also sent me these Levi's shorts, and these are super cute, and I used to wear Levi 501 button-up jeans were like my go-to. That's what I always wore. And so that's what these are. They're 501s button up, but they have zero stretch to them. And now I am reliant on all of that spandex in the world. And I just like, they fit, they were super cute, but I cannot possibly imagine wearing these for more than 5 seconds because they would just be too uncomfortable, you know? I like me some stretchy clothes, but they were really cute. This dress, like on the model, it looked like, okay, that could be kind of cute, you know, kind of a roomy, breezy kind of a dress. I don't know, it kind of fit like a muumuu or something. I wasn't super crazy about this, but I do kind of like the light breeziness, which is exactly what I asked for. So anyway, this is from Free People, if I can get this arranged properly. It has that bit of lace in it, that eyelash lace or whatever it's called. Did I make that up or is that what it's really called? Anyway, it's got that lace in it, and I feel like the lace is honestly the part that I don't like. At first I thought it was cute, but when I put it on, the lace is like this weird insert that it's almost like a tube top that's been attached in just two little strings, so it just, I don't know. And you know, and the top is just sort of basic and flowy, and I guess you could try to tuck it in or whatever. Like I could see this, you know, being a nice usable summer piece. It was just the weird lace, like it just didn't sit right and it felt really weird, and I was like, what the heck is going on with this lace? It made me just want to take it out, you know what I mean? But then of course, I'd have some major cleavage in that shirt. Okay, this one, another major cleavage shirt. At first, I thought this was so adorable. I love that ladybug, kind of a red with the black polka dots, and I like the frilliness. Like, it's really cute. It's lightweight and breezy and all that good stuff, but it was really low cut, and I felt like it was super boobylicious. So I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence about this one. Let me know what you guys think. This is another one that I was kind of torn with. I'm like, I kind of like this, but I'm not sure, you know? But that's kind of the fun thing about having somebody else do your shopping for you, is that they pick out stuff that you normally wouldn't have picked out for yourself, and then you can try it and be like, oh, actually that kind of looks cute on. So this is Vince Camuto. It's just like an interesting piece. I feel like this would be really great if I worked in an office. You know what I mean? Like maybe I could see myself wearing it cocktail hour, kind of a cocktail hour, what is that? But you know, I mean like out to a cocktail party or something like that. Like maybe, but it's a little more businessy looking to me. I don't know why, I don't know. This top, the color is kind of that pea green, which I don't know, maybe sometimes it's and then the front, I don't know, this was just you know, it's one of those pieces that you put on and you're like, no, I don't think so. They included a pair of shoes, and these ones, I do think that they're cute, and I honestly think that I forgot to film me wearing these. Sorry about that. And these are fine, they're cute, they're like wedge heels, but they're kind of heavy and clunky, and I don't know. They're just a little too clunky for me, I think. It's so funny because I probably had this exact pair of shoes like late 90s. I'm sure that I had these, at least something that looked remarkably similar. But right now I'm just not, can't get back into it. So anyway, these shoes were kind of meh. It was funny because they were going to send me a different pair of shoes. They were like an espadrille wedge heel. They were super cute, but I already have like almost that exact pair. So I said, you know, hey, these are great, but I already have these, so if you could send me some other type of summer shoe. But these ones I didn't really like. I'm missing something, like the one thing that I absolutely, here they are. Okay, these are some linen pants that I absolutely love. Oh my gosh, and they're dirty. How are they dirty? These are from Caslon, and they're just a pair of linen pants. This is one of those things that I never would have picked out for myself, and I put them on and I was like, I actually kind of love these. They're comfortable, more than I thought they would be, and I feel like they fit really well, and I don't know, I feel kind of like, I don't know, summery in them. So I really, really like these, and I was surprised by how much I like them. And that's what I'm talking about. Like when somebody else does your shopping and picks something out and you're like, oh, actually, I think I do like that. And I did not think that I would. I'm kind of on the fence about, do I want to keep these in the black, which I really like, or do I want to exchange them for more like the creamy color? Maybe I'll get the creamy and the black. I don't know, I'm not quite sure, but it was one of those things where I was like wearing around, I was like, what do you think of these pants? Asking everybody I know, hey, what do you think of these? Can I get away with these? Are these super cool? And everybody seemed to really like them, so I'm definitely keeping those. I really like those. I might even get a second pair in another color, that kind of a thing. And there's still a couple of items that I'm a little bit on the fence on, so definitely let me know what you think of everything. And then I will leave a little note in the description box what I end up keeping. I will also leave all of the description about, you know, all of the pieces in case you saw something. You can just go to Nordstrom and buy this for yourself. Or, you know, you can sign up for Trunk Club. And if you do want to sign up for Trunk Club, I will leave my referral link in the description box. Trunk Club is definitely more on the pricey side. I mean, let's face it, this is Nordstrom. You're going to get Nordstrom prices, but it's also good quality stuff. And I feel like Trunk Club has really sent me some good stuff that I've loved. So even though I don't always keep everything, I think I've kept at least one thing from every box that I've gotten so far. So anyway, like I said, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for your feedback in the comments. I always appreciate it when you help me choose which clothes to keep. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!